This journey begins on coffee farms, where ripe coffee cherries define instant coffee quality.
Modern machines accelerate coffee harvesting while maintaining consistency for instant coffee supply.
Accurate records link every coffee batch to its farm origin.
Moisture levels on this batch are perfect. Load them immediately.
Confirmed. We'll send this truck straight to the facility. The next one is due in 20 minutes.
Harvested coffee now travels from farms toward modern instant coffee factories.
Coffee pulping removes fruit layers, exposing coffee beans, critical for instant coffee quality.
Slow drying stabilizes coffee beans before industrial instant coffee roasting.
Precise grading ensures uniform coffee performance during instant coffee brewing. Coffee now moves toward factories where instant coffee truly begins. Green coffee beans travel carefully to preserve quality for instant coffee production.
Initial inspections verify coffee meets strict instant coffee standards. Bulk storage stabilizes coffee supply for continuous instant coffee manufacturing.
Coffee now advances toward roasting and instant coffee extraction.
Industrial roasting transforms green coffee beans into aromatic foundations for instant coffee.
Rapid cooling stabilizes roasted coffee before grinding for instant coffee extraction.
The aroma is satisfactory, rich, and consistent. Good color grading as well. Let's log the batch.
Controlled grinding prepares coffee particles for optimal instant coffee extraction.
Ground coffee now enters extraction, where instant coffee truly takes shape.
Extraction vessels brew concentrated coffee at industrial scale for instant coffee manufacturing. Clean coffee extract ensures consistent instant coffee color and texture. Precision brewing ensures repeatable coffee quality across instant coffee batches. Brewed coffee stands ready for transformation into instant coffee.
Evaporation concentrates brewed coffee, preparing it for instant coffee drying.
Freeze drying preserves coffee aroma for premium instant coffee crystals.
Aroma reintegration enhances instant coffee freshness and taste.
Instant coffee is now fully formed and ready for packaging.
Accurate filling protects coffee consistency across every instant coffee package.
Clear labeling ensures coffee traceability and consumer trust.
Protected pallets keep coffee safe during long-term storage.
Packaged coffee now stands ready to reach consumers worldwide.
Instant coffee begins its global journey through carefully managed export logistics. Careful port handling preserves instant coffee quality during international arrival.
Instant coffee delivers speed and consistency in cafes and workplaces.
From farms to factories, instant coffee completes its remarkable global journey.